Sairam children, today we are back in social studies class. In today's class, we will do a new chapter, chapter number 6, The Food We Eat, part 1. We eat different kinds of food. Think, which food do we eat almost every day? Yes, think, which food do we eat almost every day? Is it chapatis made from wheat, or is it something else made from rice? Yes, from rice. Which are the food items made? Yes, idli, dosa, right? Now, children, do you find any difference in the food habits of your friends who are from different regions of India? Yes, we find difference in the food habits of our friends who are from different regions of India. Do you know why do we find difference in the food habits of our friends who are from different regions of India? Yes, because of geographical reason. Because in India there are many different types of landforms, and different types of landforms have different types of climate, and it also have different types of soil. That is why different types of foods are grown in different types of climate and different types of soil, and therefore there is difference in the food habits of our friends who are from different regions of India. Food habits of different regions of India depends on landforms of India. There are different types of landforms. Do you remember the names of landforms? Yes, children? Yes, northern mountains, northern plains, the Thar Desert, then southern plateau, coastal plains. So all the different types of landforms, they have different types of climate as well as different types of soil, right? We have learned, no? Southern part of India is mostly covered with black soil, whereas northern part of India is covered with alluvial soil. Western part of India, that is the desert area, is covered with sandy soil. So different types of crops are produced in different types of soil, and therefore we find difference in the food habits of people living in different regions of India. Today we will learn chapter number 6, The Food We Eat, part 1. Students, in this chapter we will learn about the food eaten by people from different regions of India, the common spices, food grains, pulses, vegetables and fruits grown in our country, and transportation of foodstuffs. In part 1, we will deal with the first topic. Now, staple food. Let us learn about staple food. What is staple food? The food that people in a region eat most often. Most often means most of the time, frequently, right? Most often becomes their staple food. For example, I will show you. This is the map of Maharashtra, right? Which map is this? This is the map of Maharashtra. Where is Maharashtra? It is a state in India, right? Now, see the place Raigad, Ratnagiri, Thane. You can see this area, red color zone. This is the Konkan region. Okay, this is Konkan region. So people see Konkan region. Where is Konkan region located? Where it is located? It is near the sea, right? It is near the sea. What is the name of the sea? Arabian Sea. So people living in the Konkan region of Maharashtra, they are mostly involved in fishing. Okay? Mostly they do fishing, and therefore fish becomes their staple food. They eat fish. Almost every day they love to eat fish. Follow children, so fish is their staple food. Why? Because of the landform. See, the coastal, those who are living in the coastal plains, the sea is near to the coastal plains, and therefore uh, uh, easily they can get fish from there by fishing, and so they eat fish more than the other food. So fish becomes the staple food of the people living in the Konkan region. India is a vast country with varied landform and climate. The food eaten in different regions of the country depend on the climate and soil of that place. For example, see the first picture. This is the desert, the Thar desert of India. Okay, most of the area is covered with the sand because of less water. So here the crops can be grown which require less water, right? See the next picture. This is the coastal plains. So just now we have learned the people living in the coastal plains, they love to eat fish. Why? Because easily they can get fish from the sea. It is nearby. See the next picture. Yes, it is plateau. In the plateau, the type of soil is different. Mostly it is black soil, and it is suitable for different types of crop. And the next picture, the last one is northern plains. Northern plains are different from the other landforms. The soil is very fertile. Therefore, different crops can be grown in northern plains. Children, what do you understand by food grains? Yes, food grains. Food grains are the small hard seeds of food plants such as wheat, rice, etc. Followed children, the pictures that you can view are the small hard seeds of plant which are used as food grains. Some of the food grains we grind it in powder form and then we eat, right? Now wheat is grinded, right, in flour, and we make chapatis, puris, parathas from flour, right? Rice grows best in areas where it rains a lot because cultivation of rice requires lot of water. So like West Bengal and Assam, they have lot of water. The people of East and South India eat mainly rice. Rice cannot be grown in Rajasthan where it rains very little and the soil is sandy. Followed children, so mostly in the east we can say West Bengal, Assam, and this part Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, these are all rice producing regions, and therefore you can find most of the people eating rice. rice is the staple food for them. East and in the eastern part of India and the southern part of India. Staple food of East Indians is dal, rice, fish. Now, East Indian people they mostly eat sweet water fish. Why? Because of the river Brahmaputra and Ganga river. And they have water, they are perennial river and they have water throughout the year. So they catch fish from the rivers. Followed children and fish becomes their staple food. Children, as I told you, in the southern part of India, rice is grown more than the other crops. Therefore, in southern part of India, mostly the dishes are made of rice. You can see the picture. The first picture you can see. Just view the first picture and try to understand. It is showing sambar bhat, right? The next picture, curd rice. Then we can see lemon rice. Then we can see dosa. Dosa is also made by rice, by grinding the rice. Then idli, it is also made by grinding rice. Then we can see coconut rice. Then we can also see the sweet dish called pongal, which is also made of rice. So most of the people eat rice in southern part of India. Children, in Rajasthan we know the rainfall is less and therefore the soil is sandy. So these are the crops, food grains such as wheat, jowar and bajra. They grow well in the climate and soil of Rajasthan. They do not require much water to grow like rice. Followed children? So most of the food items, see Rajasthani dish, okay, most of the food items are made up of wheat, jowar and bajra. Children, view the map. Yes, you can see the pink area which is called coastal plains, right? This area is the coastal plains that here followed. Why? Because this area is facing Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, right? So most of the people are engaged in what type of work? See here, look here, fishing. Okay, their occupation is fishing. They catch fish from the sea and therefore they eat fish. Okay, the staple food of the people living in the coastal plains is fish and rice. Now, children, in the northern states of India, people eat wheat and rice. Yes, this is the northern state. This one and this one, green one, right? Northern mountains and northern plains. All the states that are located in northern mountain and northern plains are called northern states, right? And they generally eat wheat and rice. And wheat and rice is the staple food for them. Okay. Now, as we move to west to Rajasthan, this is Rajasthan, right? As we move to Rajasthan, what happens? What can you see? It is a desert area. Okay, it is a desert area where wheat, jowar, corn and bajra are commonly eaten. Due to less rainfall, the soil is not very fertile. So, the crops that need less water can be grown in Rajasthan. Now, as we come towards the southern part, southern part, this is the southern part, and to the eastern part, okay, rice is the staple food for them. Rice is the staple food of them because the climate of the southern part of India and the eastern part of India is very suitable for rice cultivation. We have come to the end of this session. Let us do a small recap. Staple food, the food that people in a region eat most often. Grains, the small hard seeds of food plants such as wheat, rice, etc. The food eaten in different regions of the country depends on the climate and soil of the place. People of East and South India eat mainly rice. Rice is the staple food for them. Rice grows best in areas where it rains a lot. Wheat, jowar, and bajra grow well in the climate and soil of Rajasthan. In the coastal areas, a lot of fish is eaten as it is available in plenty in sea. In the next session, we will again continue with the second part of this chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.